how to get Spotify Premium. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll show you how you can get Spotify Premium, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you want to get Spotify Premium, what you have to do is simply go ahead and first of all open the Spotify application if you're on Android. Now keep in mind that if you're using your iPhone, you won't be able to get Spotify Premium from the Spotify app. Instead you have to go to spotify.com from your Safari browser. But if you're an Android user, you can just open the app, and from the bottom right you'll find Premium option. Just tap on it, and then here you'll find the button called Get Premium. All you have to do is just tap on the Get Premium button that you can find it over here. Once you tap on Get Premium, you can choose to pay from your Spotify, or if you have Google Play balance, you can choose to play and pay with your Google Play account as well. If you select Spotify, you can just select them and directly pay with your Visa, PayPal, or whatever else you have. Tap on the Continue option over here. All you have to do is simply make sure to enter your payment details and first of all select your plan. As you've done that, just review your plan over here, which in this case you can see. You can also choose to change the plan if you'd like over here, which is Premium plan and so on. Once you've selected a specific plan, you can just come back, and as you come back you'll be able to simply enter your payment details such as your PayPal or credit or debit card, and as you've done that, you'd have successfully gotten your Spotify Premium. This way you can get Spotify Premium. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.